What's going on, yeah?
Sometimes I sit by myself and think what's going on. Cause young nigga wanna be rich, can't be damn bad like other chicks. Haven't been rich, mama wanna pay rent. Just like dancing, so money well spent. Going global, that's my intent. I'm a king, baby, I'm the one got sent. She said, why you a minister to society? Cause no female really gon' lie for me. Tell me one thing, watch how she lie to me. Baby, mama tryna get some money out of me. She said, leave me alone, don't bother me. So I left her dumb ass so I could be free. I know her G is down with me. That's why my name HABITZZ to the double Z. They say I be causing charges on the road. I said, little nigga, oh no. Cause a nigga got too many modes. Think my third verse when beast mode. This is my mess and the beat is my ghost. I'm the quiet type, call me a ghost. I'm really doing better than the most. Tell them about daily weight, that's a Scorpio.
Like, what's going on? What's going on, yeah? What's going on? What's going on? Yeah?
What's going on, guys? It's your boy HABITZZ back with another video. So today I'm gonna be doing a unboxing video for you. Yes, I got something new. As always, I got something new. This time I'm actually gonna show y'all what I got. And I ordered 3 things, 2 came, still waiting on 1. 1 is on the way sometime later September, like September 20th, sometime. That's when the third one coming. But today I got the package. Yes, it's already open. I had to make sure everything was in there, you know. But got the package. You see, 1 and 2. Alright. Get my thumbnail. Shh. Don't tell nobody. But if we open it up, can y'all guess what's in here? Do not skip. Do not skip. But before we even open these boxes and what's in here,
you better drop a like, hit the subscribe if you want more.
Hit that like button. For real. It takes like 1 second. Probably 2, 3. Probably a couple seconds. But all you gotta do is scroll like right there. Pull that up like, yeah, like that. And then hit that like button. Then while you're down there, go and hit that subscribe button. And hit the notification bell and click all. So you stay notified when your boy upload. Cause I really need y'all to do that. And then also somewhere around there, it's something that look like a share button. Click that too. And share with your friends, your family, people on social media, just in general. But did y'all do it? And also comment which I think it is. 5, 4. And that's in this box. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I don't know how many people comment. But yeah. If y'all subscribed to my King HABITZZ channel, my vlog car channel, y'all would know that I told y'all what it is. I told y'all what I was waiting on. So, you ready? You ready to see what it is? If my eyes look red, I'm sleepy. I just got off work. Like literally. Alright, you ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a camera. Oh, it's a camera. New camera alert. It's a new camera. It's a new camera. Oh my goodness. Alright. Alright. We're gonna get to that just in a minute. We gotta open this one. Well, it's already open. But can y'all guess what's in here? If we got a camera, what do you think comes with it? If y'all answer tripod, I got plenty of those. I got 1, 2. I think I got a 3rd one somewhere. Then I got my big one right here. I got a lot of pieces that go to the tripod, so it's all a camera can always fit on it. But okay, I took it out the bag. Ain't nothing in here no more. Let's see how many people guessed it. So here you go. Guess if it's not a tripod, what else will be on it? If you need a quick second, go look at other people's videos, or if they vlog. Besides the camera and the tripod, what else do they got on their camera or around? Okay. Ooh, is my nose bleeding? Ooh, like it was bleeding for a second. But if y'all guess a mic, then you guessed correctly. Good job. Get yourself a round of applause. But okay, so let's go on and open up the camera. I'm gonna flip y'all real quick, okay? Watch this, it's gonna be quick. Alright guys, so as you know, yep, I'm using on my bed. As you know, this is the normal camera I use. My first camera. The camera I've been using ever since. It is a Nikon B500. Well, Coolpix B500 Nikon camera. And the screen goes like that. But you can't see yourself when you vlogging. Like, you literally can't see yourself. Right now, the battery's not in it. Ooh, what is that? Oh my gosh. I gotta clean my camera. I don't know what that is. I think some powder. I don't know. But right now, the battery is on the charger. But overall, it's a good camera. But as you can see, it been through a lot. Like, it been through a dog's mouth and all that. And then you see I just threw it, so I gotta take better care of my camera. So, and then I got tripods. I got this mic. And then where's that? And pull something else out of my drawer. Just in case I need a backup mic, I got this mic. Yeah, I've been trying to use it. It works, but I was trying to use it on my phone, and yeah, it don't really work with a phone. You need camera. So we're gonna open up this first. I already opened it up to put the batteries on the charger. Just a heads up. Alright, so if you open it up, you greet it with a blank. Okay, you greet it with a digital camera instruction manual. Do y'all read manuals? Do y'all you read the directions or anything? Part name, power shoe, speaker, hot shoe, and mode button. Okay, icon. Well, we already know what the battery icons is. Like, that's correlates with phones too. You know, we're gonna be shooting in at 4K. I wish it go up to 60 frames, but it goes 30. I know my B500 shoot up to 60 frames, but not 4K. It's just telling you the mode dial that's on it. You got photo, interval, photography, recording, slow motion recording, time lapse recording, and playback. My camera don't got the B500 don't got the slow motion nor the time lapse. I literally have to record it normally, then when I edit, then edit to where it's like a time lapse. I think you got a flash on there. You can connect it to your computer, desktop, as a webcam. And other stuff that we'll able to get into later. But it comes with a SD card. This will be my third SD card that I got. Like, yeah. Alright, we're gonna put that back in. We're gonna set that over there. So, like, the batteries came in here. What was the noise? But the batteries came in here. But as I said, they is on the charger. So they should be good. Alright, next we got the lens. It's a macro lens. Let's see, take this off. Look at that lens. Ooh, look at that lens. Like, I thought my B500 would come with a lens when I first got it, but it didn't. I'm like, oh, I'm so sad. No, look at this lens. Ready? That's how it look. Make it more zoomed in. See it? See the difference? Alright. So, now for the big part. The main reason why we got it. Yep. Y'all let me know how this make y'all feel, or if this is a good looking camera, if you think it's gonna be a good, if it's a good investment. There we go. Because I told y'all I'm investing in myself for YouTube. Bam. What y'all think? What y'all think about it? It looks a little weird without the lens on. So let's go on and add it real quick. If I know how to add it. Give me a second, guys. There we go. Now how it look? Now how it looks. Still look weird. We still gotta add the mic on. The mic will go right here. Put that on. Keep that safe. You have to mic input there. You got USB and HD ports. Bam. Underside, you got, this is where you put your SD card. Here is where you put your battery. You can close it like that. Over here, you can put like a little string if you wanna like carry it on both sides. Like for photo shooting, you know, the little string that comes with it, necklace, lanyard thing. And what really got me, what sold me, was the lens screen. So I can actually see myself when I record. If y'all right here, if y'all was holding it, y'all will see yourself right there. And no, this do not like rotate, but if you're shooting it like that, won't. And then want to see yourself, bam, bam. All right. This is where you got your dials, your mode dial. So it's like regular photo. I forgot what it was. Video recording, time lapse. It says something. Guys, y'all know I am slow. And then playback. So we're gonna keep it on there for right now. But let's see. Anything else in here? No. Alright. So we're gonna throw the SD card in right there. And then we're gonna throw the mic on, and then throw a battery in here. So let's go and do that now. Alright, so let's go and open it. And I got me a little bag for all my camera gear. It's a black bag. Nothing too fancy. And so yeah, I got like this SD card, but the little ones can go in there. That's like right there, right at the bottom. I got two of these. The other one is in the B500. All right, so let's put this in here. Hopefully I put this in the right way, like that. I don't have nails. There we go. Boom, we got it. All right. So now let's open the video blog mic. So yeah, I can't wait till I get a camera like that. That's that big boy. Universal camera / video microphone. You can put it on a GoPro. Obviously a camera, your phone. See right there. You can put on other stuff that takes the little, you know, little cord. Alright, so here's the actual microphone. Bam. Let's scoop that back. It comes with a little, I forgot what they call it. Little thing to go over the mic. Cause you know the old one, my old one got this. And I don't know how that would do, so we got this. So you can hear me. Yes, I did put it up to my mouth. Yeah, and yes, it is mine. Oh, we got a little one. Got this, the way you could put it on the camera, obviously. Put that to the side. Keep out of reach of children. And in this bag, got your cord. You got your, see? The external jack piece. You got your extra cords. I don't know which one goes to which. I guess it really don't matter, depending on how you want it to look. If you want this little squeegee piece or you want the straight piece. Yeah, I think I just made up a word. A squeegee. And then you got your bag. This leather? Pleather? Something? Plastic leather? I think it's, yeah, pleather. Plastic leather. Like, is that even a thing? I guess. Alright, so let's grab the camera. I sat down for a little bit. So we're gonna put this in the box. Matter of fact, we're gonna put this in the black bag. That way I don't lose it. Because I might accidentally just throw the box away. But I wouldn't do that because I keep my boxes. Alright, so we're gonna take this. We're gonna slide it in. Like so. Tighten it. And the flash is right there. On my B500, you literally have to raise it. Alright, tighten that. So it can't tighten no more. Make sure it's up. Alright, this on there. Let's open the mic. Ugh. It's sturdy. So all you do is just slide it on there. And don't be like me and be difficult. I think I'm doing it the right way, guys. Make sure it's on there good and tightly. Alright. So then you just clip it in the back. Make sure you don't hurt your fingers. No, it's fine. I didn't hurt myself. Why it wiggle like that? But which one y'all think? Should we go with this or a straight one? I think we go with this one for right now. Let's turn this that way it looks straight. Plug this in. Come here. Plug this in. Bam, bam. Before we put a tripod on there, let's put a battery in. This is what a battery look like. It got like a little glitter on it. Alright. So it like this is what the bottom of the battery look like. If you look on the inside, match that up with the little tongs or teeth that's in there. So they go like that, or you can just look at the shape of the casing is, and then the battery. No, pull that back. Pop in place. You should hear a little click. Close that. Should hear another little click. Then I think we're gonna go with this tripod. The piece I need to go with this is literally on the camera that I'm using right here. So, guys, let's see. Can we use this? You have to use this because it's like a little soft piece right there. And the reason why I'm using this tripod is because it matches with the blue, kinda. On camera, it look like it does or do. Well, we can't use that. There's not enough stud. Let me just go raw. Alright. Yeah, I think we should have went with this one. But it's cool. Alright. So make sure everything pushed in. Power button is right there. Power button. Bam. Just press that. Press that. Press that. Press that. Okay, guys, hold on. I come back when I actually got it turned on. Alright, guys, I'm back. I figured it out. So, you know how I was pressing it? You can either double tap it or just hold it. Now, look at that quality. That quality looked better off the jump from my... guys, why is my thing gone? Why the mic on? You said why the mic on? But the quality, it looks better on here than on Nikon. Alright. So with the zoom, you can press the T and the W. So zoom. And then W. So if y'all hear the little beeping noise, I'm gonna change that. Cause I don't like that beeping noise. So let's change it to recording. Let's see what that does. So it changes to that. Y'all cannot see. There we go. It changes to 4K and then 30 frames per second. It shows you that the mic is included. It tells you how many minutes and seconds you got left or on the recording and all your extra stuff. And then if you press display, it takes off everything. Press again, screen turns off. Press it again, everything comes back. Menu takes you to all your settings and all that. This is not touchscreen, just to let you know. So you just go down, you got all your settings. I'm gonna go in and adjust it to my liking off camera. So then you press menu again, takes you to a different, set of options. Where is for the what you call it? Oh, well, so it takes you to the two thing. You got that for the camera and that just normal settings. What's button prompt? Look at that. Okay, I can do it with the low. Alright. So you press menu again, takes you back home. This You press this, it'll take you to your like videos or pictures, depending on what the mode you select. Oh, my bad, guys. Then you got this for your flash. Your flash is automatically on. It just, oh my god, I blinded myself with the press of that. So that's good. So if I'm recording, hold on, let me flip the camera. So if we're recording, yes, we chop it off the phone. So if I'm recording, y'all can see me. Hey guys, see y'all right there. But if I'm like recording, it's good that I got an automatic flash. And then if you want it off, turn it off. That boy blinded me. Ooh, I'm black. Then you can set your timer. That's for like your time lapse. Where is it telling you where the thing is? Oh, it's right there. You see right there? It goes all the way up to 10. After 10, it takes you back to normal video settings. Then trash can. If you want to delete something, I don't got nothing in here yet, so it won't delete nothing. You got your date here. You got your time there. Which, what time is it? You guys, y'all see me as a baby? It is 8:12, so the thing was almost there. It almost at the right time. And guys, I'm also going to use this camera when recording, when I go to this car show later. So if you want to actually see that, go subscribe to King HABITZZ, like right now. Because I literally just dropped a video. It's me at this demo truck event at Harley Davidson motorcycle store. So yeah, but I didn't use this camera. Clearly we just set it up, so we didn't use it. We used the Nikon B500 when I was there. But yeah, that's really it. I'm gonna switch this out because I do not like it. Dang, look at the battery. The battery already going down. Well, it probably didn't have enough time to charge, so I'm gonna put it back on the charger. So to turn it off, you can either double tap it, or you know what, just hold it and tell you goodbye. All right. So if y'all have any questions, I gotta wipe that off. I already got fingerprints on it. You can see it right there. But if y'all have any questions about like the camera, I give y'all like a what is it? Probably like a 2-week review back on it. Like after 2 weeks of using it, review. Also with the mic too. So yeah, I wish I can put a mic on this. Sadly, I can't. I cannot, because it already comes with its own mic right there. And then I be trying to find some things to go to this, but I can never find them. But it's coolio. But if y'all like the mic, if y'all like the camera and the mic with like this little setup right now, let me know. And I'm also gonna have my sister recording off this camera and get her point of view. So yeah, so I'm gonna disassemble all this, put it back in its casing and boxes. That way it won't get messed up or damaged before I even get to use it properly. But yeah, that's gonna be it in the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If so, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and comment down below if you have any questions on this camera, the mic, my little setup. If you got questions about the tripod, don't look at that. Yeah, the piece is somewhere in my drawer. But yeah, this was used for actually taking pictures with your camera. But yeah, if you have any questions about my Nikon B500 camera. What my other cameras that I used with like this, it's a iPhone. I'm using that. So I got my iPhone, I got this camera now, I got my Nikon B500, I got my iPhone 11, my baby face, and then I got my iPad. You know, I always have something I can use to record as a camera. But yeah, and let me know what else I could use to better my YouTube experience as a content creator. And yeah, get your channel next one. As always, show love. I love y'all. Bye bye. Peace.
On my verse, get your asses. Speak on some real shit, niggas gon' pass it. Listen to my old shit, call that a classic. Shit left me, y'all thought it was gon' get tragic. Thought shit was gon' stick around like a fucking magnet. I was on 16 when I started rapping. Speak on the real, ain't no fucking capping. From A17, can't catch me like